Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing of OnePlus power bank. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank recently launched in India. So this is the box that you get. It comes in two colors. One is the black one which has a carbon fiber like finish, and the other one is a cyan Dave 2D blue color. So let's check out the box. Nothing on the top or the sides or the bottom. On the back it says 18 watts fast charge, dual USB input, 2-in-1 charging cable. I think it is included in the box. It has a low power mode for charging small devices like a smartwatch or smart fitness band or your headphones, and it has some safety protection. As you can see here, it retails for $12.99. If you have a discount code or you have a referral code, you can get 200 rupees off on this. So let's just get into the box now. Break the seal from the bottom. There. And let's pull it out like this, I guess. Yeah. Nothing else in the box. This is all you get. Let's put that to the side. Here we have the power bank wrapped in this plastic. I'm unable to get out of the box. There you go. This thing was stuck on the bottom. And now the power bank is loose. Let's keep this aside for a moment. We get this quick start guide and user manual. We get our usual red cable club card. And we get a nice OnePlus like cable with this thing, whatever this is. It's a USB type A to USB type C cable, really nice quality. And these are all the things that you get in the box. Let's put this aside. Let's focus on the power bank. It comes in this soft plastic. Let's take it out. And here we have the power bank. This is the back side. This is the front. Big never settle branding, as you can see in the video. It looks stuck on from the outside. I hope it does not come out. On this side, nothing. On the back, OnePlus logo. It seems to be printed, won't be coming out. And on the bottom you have some information, regulatory information. On this side we have the power on off button. And here we have our two ports, USB output ports, USB type A, and this is an input as well as an output port. So you can charge your power delivery phones with USB type C to type C cable. And there must be a battery indicator. Yes, it's right here. So let's click this button and see. So we have very less battery over here. This is how it should be out of the box. I should say the finish is very nice. I expected it to feel a little bit cheap, but this carbon fiber Kevlar like finish feels pretty nice in the hand, and it is surprisingly grippy. If anyone has used carbon fiber skins from Dbrand, you will find it that they are a little bit slippery, but this material feels a lot good. Okay guys, so this is the OnePlus power bank. It's a pretty good power bank for the price. You might get 18-watt power bank from Realme and Xiaomi at a cheaper price, but the look and overall feel, fit, finish, and of course the OnePlus branding demands this higher price. Overall it is pretty nice. If you are going to spend $1,300 or 1,300 rupees, then you could even consider the 30-watt power bank by Realme. I think it's for 1,400 rupees. But if you can get it for 1100, this is a pretty nice deal. Thanks for watching. Guys, this cable is a convertible cable. So this is the USB Type-C port, as you can see. And if you remove this, you get a micro USB cable. So you can charge both devices, once having micro USB as well as USB Type-C. This is a very nice cable. Thank you.